Think of how the gas prices are right now. Ridiculous, right? Now combine that with an economy in recession, and I can understand why you'd be looking for an SUV with a low maintenance cost. There are various types of SUVs you can get yourself. And while most drivers only consider how much it costs at purchase, it's also very important to assess how much it would cost to maintain the SUV in the long run. So how do you then identify these SUVs? Well, don't worry, because we got you covered. We've compiled a list of 10 reliable SUVs with low maintenance costs. Each SUV on this list made it because it's been proven that it's relatively cheaper to maintain over the first 10 years of service, according to data from CarEdge.com. So, working our way to the top from number 10, 2022 Nissan Murano. The 2022 Nissan Murano is a stylish hybrid of a car and a crossover that breaks away from the traditional rugged and outdoorsy appearance of many SUVs. Its unique and hard-to-define design is sure to turn heads. And there's no denying that it looks good. The Murano has scored well on all major reliability ratings over the years, and Nissan has loaded all models of the SUV with an impressive array of standard driving assistance technology to help make every drive safer and more convenient. Overall, the Nissan Murano will cost you about $7,577 for maintenance and repairs during the first 10 years of service. For context, the industry average for maintenance costs of popular SUVs after 10 years is just over $9,000, meaning the Murano is substantially cheaper to maintain. It's worth pointing out that there's a lot of reliable vehicles that also may require frequent but affordable maintenance. And the Murano's one of them. It requires higher maintenance visits, but at a cheaper overall cost. This doesn't mean the car breaks down less often, but does indicate that when the vehicle has issues, it's very easy to fix. Number 9. 2022 Mazda CX5. The 2022 Mazda CX5 is a small SUV that not only lives up to Mazda's reputation for agile handling, but also provides a nearly luxury-level experience for a mainstream price. The Mazda CX5 comes with an impressive array of safety features on all trim levels, including traditional airbags, a rear-view camera, traction control, and hill launch assist. In addition, all models are equipped with advanced driver assist technology, such as collision warning, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, pedestrian monitoring, and advanced smart city brake support. According to CarEdge data, a Mazda CX5 will cost you about $7,339 for maintenance and repairs during the first 10 years of service. This beats the industry average for popular SUV models by $1,794. The Mazda CX5 is a fairly reliable automobile. And as far as the frequency of having to bring your car in for unscheduled maintenance, the Mazda SUV had an average of 0.3 times per year, compared to a 0.4 for other midsize SUVs and cars in general. That's not very often. Number 8. 2022 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. The 2022 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross is a compact SUV with sporty good looks, but its on-road performance is more subdued than its flashy exterior might suggest. When it comes to safety, basic driver assistance technologies are standard, such as automated emergency braking and lane departure warning. But more advanced features require checking the box for an upper trim level. The Eclipse Cross will cost you about $1,892 in maintenance after 5 years. This figure bumps up to $7,181 after 10 years. There's also a 21.63% chance that an Eclipse Cross will require a major repair during that time. These expenses include scheduled maintenance, normal wear and tear items, and expected repairs. It's also important to note that these estimates exclude any free warranty work performed. Number 7. 2022 Mazda CX3. The Mazda CX3 is a small SUV that competes in the crowded subcompact SUV segment against slightly larger and more expensive models, like the CX30. Despite its size, the CX3 offers a lot of appeal with an upscale cabin, fun driving dynamics, and stylish exterior. When it comes to safety, the Mazda CX3 excels. It's received top ratings in crash tests from both National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. But maintenance is where this SUV really hits it out of the park. A Mazda CX3 will cost you about $7,172 for maintenance and repairs during the first 10 years of service. That's saving you $1,961 in maintenance when compared to other famous SUVs. Mazda's warranty coverage also matches most of its rivals. What do you think of our list so far? If you're getting impressed, why don't you slap that like on the video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on. Number 6. 2023 Honda CR-V. The 2023 CR-V kicks off the compact SUV's 6th generation. With it comes a slew of improvements. It's larger overall, sports fresh exterior styling, and has a roomier interior, with a more refined design and fancier features. The 2023 CR-V comes loaded with a wide range of standard driver assistant technologies to keep you safe on the road. But when it comes to unplanned repairs, CR-V owners have to get their SUVs repaired an average of 0.3 times a year. And with that being said, that's not very often. And it's average compared to other compact SUVs, an average of 0.3 also. What about how severe each repair is? The probability of repair being a major issue is 9%, which is much lower than the average SUV, having a probability of 11%. It costs just over $7,000 in repairs after 10 years of service, and has a 21% chance that one of those repairs will exceed $500. Number 5. 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. The 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport might go and attract some shoppers with its trendy styling, but its numerous shortcomings and flaws become evident once you get behind the wheel. For reliability, the 23 Outlander Sport is not the best subcompact SUV, although it does offer a user-friendly infotainment system and a good amount of cargo space. It's not the best SUV because its competitors offer better value. The Honda HR-V is well-rounded and more athletic than the Mitsubishi, while the Kia Soul has spunky acceleration and a modern, comfortable interior. So, why is it on the list then? Well, that's because of its low maintenance costs. Clocking at $7,000 in maintenance during the first 10 years of service, that's a huge save from the average of $9,000. Overall, the Mitsubishi Outlander Sport has yearly car maintenance of around $498. Given the average vehicle cost is around $651 annually, the Outlander Sport is substantially cheaper to maintain. Number 4. 2022 Honda HR-V. While other subcompact SUVs try to stand out with bold styling, the 22 Honda HR-V takes a more practical approach with its understated exterior, sensible interior, and impressive cargo hauling capabilities. The Honda HR-V is a highly reliable subcompact SUV that's incredibly affordable to maintain, and this is thanks to its excellent reliability, which means repairs are infrequent. After 5 years of usage, the HR-V will cost you around $2,000 to maintain and almost $7,000 after 10 years. These are remarkable numbers when compared to the industry average of $9,000. The price for a 22 Honda HR-V starts at $21,420, an average for a subcompact SUV. The annual car maintenance cost is also very, very low, standing at $301. Compare that to the industry average of $651. And it's no surprise the CR-V is extremely cheap to maintain. Number 3. 2022 Kia Soul. The Kia Soul is a bit of an unusual SUV, as it's more like a compact car with practical styling than a traditional SUV. It also doesn't offer all-wheel drive, which may not appeal to everybody. However, the Soul has several things going for it, including a very competitive price, a reputation for reliability, and an industry-leading warranty. When it comes to safety, Kia provides a few standard driver assistance technologies on the base Soul, but there's more available on the S model and above. It possesses ABS brakes, which automatically sense when a tire has stopped rotating under extreme braking, and will modulate the brake pressure to allow the tire to rotate. This increases the vehicle's ability to turn while braking. But for maintenance costs, over a 10-year period, it's sure to cost you around $6,896, with the majority of expenses coming after the first 5 years. Kia also has a well-known 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Number 2. Toyota RAV4. Toyota has always had a reputation for reliability, with the United States being its biggest market, and Toyota RAV4 continues this trend. While it may not be the most interesting compact SUV from a driver's standpoint, Its practicality and efficiency bolster its value and make it worthy of being number 2 on this list. The RAV4 comes with a variety of standard driver assistance features to help you keep safe on the road. You can also add additional features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, though these are optional extras on the base model. So how much does the maintenance cost? A Toyota RAV4 will cost you around $5,531 for maintenance and repairs during the first 10 years. This beats the industry average for popular SUV models by $3,602. There's also a 16.8% chance that a RAV4 will require a major repair during that time. This is 5.42% better than similar vehicles in this segment. And number 1. 2022 Toyota CHR. The 2022 Toyota CHR boasts a bold and distinctive design that can turn heads. But unfortunately, its driving experience is rather uninspiring. When it comes to reliability, however, this car is top-notch, with just 16% of owners reporting a fault in the first year. The CHR features all the standard safety kits Toyota can muster. This includes Safety Sense, which brings together adaptive cruise control and autonomous emergency braking, along with pedestrian detection. And for the 5-year maintenance cost, this SUV is simply outstanding. It costs just $1,450, and after 10 years, this increases to $5,425. This is the best value for money when it comes to maintenance and repair costs. Finding an SUV that's reliable and easy on the wallet when it comes to maintenance can be a challenge. So this is our top 10 list of the SUVs with the lowest maintenance costs. And before you go, make sure to take note of these low-cost SUVs before you visit your next dealer. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.